Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about why I smashed things out of anger. Can anyone tell me how I smash things?
I'll tell you.
Okay, Noob, how do I smash things?
Like this.
Oh hell no. Noob, how dare you make the ROFLcopter noise in class? That's it. Go to the gosh darn principal's office right gosh darn now.
Never.
Okay, I'm going.
Noob, what brings you here?
I made the ROFLcopter noise in class.
Noob, you don't make that noise in class. Ever. That's it. You are expelled. Go home now. Now.
Get the hell out of my freaking school!
No.
Noob, we can't believe you got expelled from school for making the ROFLcopter noise in class.
You are grounded for 2005 months.
Now let me get you your punishment.
Oh god, no. Don't taste me, bro. Hug, I can't move. Oh, now I can.
Go to your room now.
What are? I'm grounded. What are? I have to go to my room. What are?